Now, you might sometimes be generating videos using Google's AI platforms. Sometimes you may be generating videos in Gemini. Sometimes you may be generating videos using AI Studio as well. So if we're generating videos using Google's platforms, we can generate videos for free. But there's one thing. If you don't have a Pro or Ultra subscription, you won't be able to generate videos unlimitedly. You can generate them for free, that's true, but you'll only be able to generate 2 or at most 3 videos per day. Unlimited generation isn't possible. Not only that, if we're using it for free, we can generate videos only up to a maximum resolution of 720p. So we can't generate videos in full HD resolution on the free plan. If you want full HD resolution, you'll need to get a Pro or Ultra subscription. In this video, we're going to look at how to generate unlimited videos using Google's Veo 3.1 model. And yes, you'll also be able to download the videos in 1080p resolution. Anyway, let's open a browser for that. After opening the browser, search for SnapGen AI. Once you search for SnapGen AI, you'll see a website called SnapGen AI. Open it. There's one more thing. This is actually a website that existed before. They've just changed the name now. Earlier, it was called GeminiGen AI. Anyway, they've changed the name and now it's come with a new approach. After opening this website, the first thing you need to do is log in with an account. You can simply log in using your Google account. Once you do that, you'll land on a page like this. When you reach this page, you'll see an option called Pro Studio. Click on it. Once you click it, you'll see several options at the top, such as Video Gen, Image Gen, and Chat with AI. Since we want to generate a video, I'm selecting Video Gen. Also, when we logged in, we received 10 credits for free. But you don't really need to worry about that. That's because we can generate videos even without using those credits. Anyway, scroll down. After scrolling down, select Create New. Then you'll see an option to choose a model. Select Veo there. After selecting Veo, scroll down a little further. Here, you'll be able to see Veo 3.1 Fast under the model section. You should select Veo 3.1 Fast. This is the one we can use for free. You'll also see options here to enter prompts and configure other settings. So you can paste the prompt you want right here. Also, when entering the prompt, try to include as much detail as possible. That will usually give better results. After entering the prompt, you'll see an option to choose the aspect ratio. If it's for long-form videos, select 16:9. If it's for reels or short videos, select 9:16. The resolution may be set to 720p by default. Change that and switch it to full HD, which is 1080p. Then it'll ask for the duration. I've selected 8 seconds. The maximum available is 8 seconds. If you look here, you'll also see that the remaining credits are shown as 10. It says this generation will cost 0 credits per video, which means no credits will be used. I'm clicking on the Generate Video option here. Once you click it, it'll ask for verification. Sometimes this may close automatically. In some cases, you might just need to confirm it once. Anyway, the video has started generating. Wait for it to finish generating. Now if you look here, you can see that the video has been generated. And just because it's free doesn't mean the video generation is slow. Compared to Google Flow or even Gemini, you won't really face any major speed issues here. Anyway, let's quickly play the video and take a look. Now, we've got fairly decent results from it. If you want to download this video, you'll see a download video option below. Click on it and the video will be downloaded. The video has now been downloaded. Let's also play the downloaded video. Even in the downloaded version, you'll only see the Veo watermark that's already part of the generated video, and there isn't any separate watermark from their website. If we check the credits now, we can still see 10 credits remaining. That means no credits were used, and the video was generated using 0 credits. Let's try generating one more video. A new video has now been generated. Let's play it. So, in a very simple way, we can use Google's Veo 3.1 model to generate unlimited videos for free in 1080p resolution. So, I hope you found this video useful. Anyway, just leave your genuine opinion about this video in the comments. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel.